Unveiling the surprise. Look what I got you. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase that's often filled with excitement and joy. Look what I got you. This sentence is a wonderful blend of English language elements that can express a range of emotions, from happiness to surprise. If you're keen on enhancing your English understanding and usage, especially in expressing sentiments, this video is tailor-made for you. Look what I got you might seem simple at first glance, but it's packed with meaning. Let's dissect it. Look is an imperative verb here, used to draw someone's attention to something. It's like saying, pay attention to this. What is a relative pronoun that introduces the object of attention. It creates a sense of anticipation or surprise. I got is a simple past tense form of get, which, in this context, means to obtain or to buy. You is the object pronoun, referring to the person the speaker is addressing. Combined, these elements create a sentence that's not just about showing someone something but also about the joy and surprise of giving. The phrase, "Look what I got you," is often used in scenarios where one person is presenting a gift or a surprise to another. It conveys excitement from the giver and is intended to elicit a reaction of surprise or happiness from the receiver. The context can vary widely. A birthday surprise, a token of appreciation, a random act of kindness. Understanding the situation in which it's said is crucial to grasp the full emotional weight of the phrase. This phrase is also a great example of the cultural aspects of language. In English-speaking cultures, expressing affection or appreciation through gifts and surprises is common. Saying, "Look what I got you," adds a layer of personal touch and excitement to the act of giving. It's not just about the gift itself but the emotion and intention behind it. Additionally, this phrase can be adapted to different tones and situations, from playful and casual to more heartfelt and serious, depending on the speaker's delivery and the context. Understanding phrases like, "Look what I got you," helps in more than just expanding your vocabulary. It deepens your ability to express emotions and connect with others in English. We hope this video has not only explained the phrase's meaning but also its emotional and cultural significance. Keep practicing, and don't forget to share your experiences or any surprises you've given or received using this phrase. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.